Google Calendar is undoubtedly one of the most popular tools for managing calendars. But what a lot of people don't know is that it has several features and options that make the tool much more useful. Welcome to the Taskade channel, your channel for a simpler and more productive life. Today, we're going to present 5 amazing tips that will make your life much more productive. Keyboard shortcuts. You may not know, but Google Calendar has several keyboard shortcuts. They are great for you to get everything done faster. For example, if you want to quickly switch between the different ways of viewing your calendar, you can use the buttons 1 to 5 on your keyboard, or just press the letter indicated in front of the view's name. Another very useful shortcut is the C key, which adds a new event. There are many other shortcuts, and you can consult them in the link of our video's description. Change an event's default time. When we create an event, Google Calendar chooses a default time range for it. We can adjust it manually, but did you know that it's possible to change the default range? It's simpler than you might think. On the main screen, click on the Settings icon. It's in the upper right corner. Now, choose the Settings option. In the General tab, under Language and Region, you can choose the default time of the event in Event Settings. Now, whenever you create an event, it'll come with the time set. Receive a daily email with your schedule. Another little-known option is that you can receive a daily email with all your agenda for the day. This is great so you don't get caught off guard. To activate, still in the settings and choose one of your calendars, which are in the left corner. Now, click on Other Notifications and in the Daily Agenda option, select Email. From now on, you will be updated about your day directly in your email. Get Addons. Google Calendar on its own is a great tool, but of course, it can get even better with add-ons. Add-ons are integrations with other tools and functionality that can bring more utility to your calendar. To access the add-ons, click on the Settings icon and then the Add-ons option. There are dozens of possibilities. Integration with Taskade. We've saved the best tip for last. Did you know that you can sync Taskade with Google Calendar? There are 2 different options: Calendar Feed and Two-Way Sync Google Calendar. Let's talk about Feed integration first. In this integration, all tasks with dates are synced to Google Calendar. To use this option in Taskade, click on Settings, then Integrations. In the Calendar Feed tab, copy the code by clicking Copy. Back in Google Calendar, click the plus button under the other calendars and then from URL. Paste the Taskade URL and click Add Calendar. And done, Taskade is now synced with Google Calendar. For unlimited plan users, there is also the option for two-way sync. In this sync, Google Calendar events become tasks in Taskade. To do this, on the Integrations screen, click on the Two-Way Sync Google Calendar tab. Now, click on Connect Calendar. Select the account you want to sync. It's done. In addition, we have videos showing how to set up and use these features. The links are in the video's description. Did you already know these tips? Don't forget to tell us in the comments. We'll be back soon with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe for more news and tips, as well as like this video to encourage our channel to go further. Taskade, simplify your productivity.